Hey everyone, welcome to Sanketik live classes. Want to join our live interactive classes? Just click the link in the description and start your journey today. Okay. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about the real-time use cases of regular expressions using Python. Okay, real-time use case of regular expression using Python. Okay, so and also what are the symbols used in regular expressions in Python? Okay, what are the symbols which we are going to use in regular expressions in Python? Okay, so, without any further delay, let's start our today's session. Before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. What we have discussed in the last class. So, in the last class, we have discussed about regular expression in Python. So, what is regular expression in Python? Okay, what are the functions available in Python? In regular expressions. Okay, and also how to use that regular expressions in Python. Oh, okay, so these topics are we have discussed earlier. Okay, so what is here regular expression? Regular expression is easy to search or match, or if you want to replace a string. Here what is a string? String is nothing but an text. Okay, uh, and also how to compile, how to split the given string or text. Okay, for these kind of activities we are going to use in regular expressions. So the finally regular expression is easy to search or match or split or replace. Okay, um, replace the strings. Okay, and also we can also use these regular expressions to detect the presence or absence of a text. Okay, whether it is present or not. Okay, we must know. Okay, by using these regular expressions. And also next, Python has an inbuilt function called RE. Okay, input module called RE. RE stands for regular expression. So by importing these RE, we are going to do operations by using regular expression. Next, we can import and then we can use, and it is a uh, inbuilt module which is available in Python. No need to get from any external sources. Okay, and it is also a collection of predefined functions. Okay, the predefined functions are match, search, find, like that. Okay, till here we have discussed in the last class. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the uh, real-time use case of regular expressions. Okay, so uh, let's start our today's session. So today's topic name is real world use case, use cases of Regex with Python. So here the first thing is to for validating the mobile number. Okay, for validating the mobile number. First thing. Mobile number. Second thing, so validating the mobile number in the sense, sometimes they will not have 10 digits. Sometimes while taking the mobile number, they make you only 9 digits or 8 digits like that. And also, we have to check whether they are given a correct mobile number or not. Okay. So in order to check these phone numbers, we can use this regular expression. Now, oh, one more thing, I'm showing here the live example of regular expression. Just wait. So here I had already opened a notepad, right? So in this, see here, uh, it is here. It is there, right? Regular expression. So here there is some regular expression functions. Okay, so by using these also we can count or match or split the strings. Okay, whatever we want we are going to do. Okay, so here by in what purpose, for what purpose this regular expression is used here is to find or match or the string. Not only here but also in word document, or also uh, one more the best example for this regular expression in real world is Google. So for suppose here I want to open one website. Okay. Okay, let's open. So in this now I want to book a movie. Okay. So here I searched by using this text, right? This string, book my show. Okay. So it will match the website link, same. Okay. So it will search for the book my show website, because I had given text here, book my show. So it will first search, and if it matches, then it will show to us. Okay, within a fraction of seconds. But here we are not using any regular expression, but the Google internally uses those kind of regular expressions. Okay, without using any functionality or coding or any regular expression, how it will show the exact website what we are looking for. There's no sense like that, right? So first, if you are, if it is has to show some results according to our search only. Okay, for that purpose it is going to take the input from us, and it will show the results according to the uh, given text. Okay, so uh, now not only this, so in this book my show. Okay, now I want to search for any movie. Okay, something like anything. Okay, Bhagirath like that. So it is also here I'm going to search some Bhagirath like that. Okay, something something. So then it will also show the some results according to our given text. Okay, it is also takes help of regular expression. Okay, I am telling you the real time example. Okay, but that doesn't mean that this bookmark should definitely uses Python regular expression only. Yeah. Okay, and also it may use any Java or any other language also. But for understanding purpose, I am showing these examples. Okay. If you want to search a movie and the place name, okay, according to that it will show. Okay, any movie name, any short film or anything, according to any live event, according to our search only, it will show. Okay. Here also it is using regular expression. This notepad plus string count Python regular like that. Validating mobile numbers. Second thing, validating the Email address. Validity name. Mail address. Then only the user must or computer must know. Yes, they are entered correct credentials only. Otherwise, it won't allow. Okay. Next thing. Next, extract all numbers from the text. So here, extract from search. Extract all numbers from search. So if you give some, I will take here one more example. Then you are able to understand. For suppose example, for suppose Nandan. Okay, Nandan's number is, here we are going to extract only numbers only. Okay, Nandan number is something like 91 like that. Okay, so if you want to do a phone call, then we don't need this name or any text. We need only phone number. According to that only we are going to type. So in this case, we have to extract the only numbers only numbers. Okay. If you want to do a text message or if you want to do call, it requires only number, right? It doesn't need who their name or anything. Okay. At that point of time also, we used to use these regular expressions. Okay. And next, so here, second thing is, and the fourth thing is, find all words starting with the capital letters. Finding all words starting with the capital letters. Finding all words starting with the capital letters. For this also, just wait for a second. Ah, sorry. Finding all but starting with the capital. So here we are going to extract the names. Okay, it may be a city name or it may be a person's name. Okay, any name will start with the capital letter only, right? So here we are going to extract the only the names or anything. Okay, uh, anything which are going to start with the capital letters. Okay, example. Example, Shyam. Sorry, Shyam. Nag. Okay. Next. Mm, James. Like that. These are the some of the names. Okay, so here but here all words are starts with the capital letters only. Okay, if but sometimes I want to specify here my friend's name are like my friends. Otherwise my friends are okay. Going for a movie. Going for a movie. Okay, so here I want to extract the only the words which are going to which are started with the capital letters. So the capital letters words are here M, my, Sam, Na, James. Okay, it will extract only these things only. Okay, it won't take any other extra words. Okay, for this kind of scenarios also, it will use regular expression. Okay, next, extracting all email IDs. Sorry, perhaps suppose example, um, Ram mail ID, like Ram at the rate gmail.com. Radha mail ID at the rate gmail.com. So, okay. So here, if you want to send a mail ID, mail, then we require only the mail ID. Not, we don't need any other extra information like their names or this type kind of text, mail ID, email ID. Okay, we require only the recipient mail ID only. We don't need any other extra text. So at this point of time also, it will only extract the mail IDs and it will send to the recipients. It will add the that in the uh, recipient field. Okay, next, sixth one, check if a string start with the specific character. So here, wait for a second, check if a string starts with specific word. Okay. Suppose uh, everything will be start with the hi or how are you or uh, how are you? Hi. Mm, otherwise, how do you do? Just for example only, I am writing these kind of sentences. Okay. So here, now I want to extract the strings which are starts with the HW. HW means uh, how. Okay. Otherwise, we can also clearly write like how. HW how. Okay. Now I want to extract the strings which are start with the how. Then it will extract only these strings only. Except those, we it won't extract any other things. Okay. And the next thing is replacing. I am going to show all these in practical examples in our upcoming sessions. Replace all numbers. So example for these are for suppose I want to replace a something some word with the some symbol. Okay, some symbol. So at the time what I will do is I will specify the symbols instead of that word it has to replace, right? So here in real time, for suppose I want to give some ATM pin number, ATM pin. It has to send the ATM pin, but not directly. It has to show the ATM pin like it is a maskable, like um, some stars. Okay, sometimes it may be a hash symbol like that. It will show, but yeah, the number, the original number is inside these masks, like in the task is in the asterisk or star symbol or hash symbol. Okay, in order to replace or mask the strings, then it will use only these regular expressions. Okay, next, split strings. Example, for suppose split strings means apple. Okay, banana. So here orange, orange or next mango.
Okay, now here, if you clearly observe, I had given a comma after apple, but I didn't give any comma for banana or orange. Okay, and I had given full stop for mango. So at the time, what it will do is it will give the commas for all the strings like banana, orange. Also, it will add the commas. Okay, and it will give some space and it will add the comma. Okay. For that also we used to use this regular expression. 9. Removing extra spaces. Okay. The example of this is Anand. Okay. Home. In. Okay. Next. Undertaker. Okay, so here after Anand I had given so much space, but after Kane I didn't give any space between the Kane and the Undertaker. Okay, so in order to remove these extra spaces which are available at after the Anand, okay, then it will we can use these regular expressions to remove these extra white spaces. Okay, and the next thing, validate password. Validating. Sorry, password. So validating password means it is used to validate whatever the password it is given whether it is correct or not. Okay. For suppose it may be something. Okay. Sometimes it consists of numbers or any other characters. Okay. So it will use to validate these password whether it is whether they had given correct one or not. Okay. So these are the some real world scenarios which are used in regular expressions. Okay, next thing. Our the next topic is which symbols. Which are what are the symbols which we are going to use in these regular expressions? Symbols which we are going to use in regular expressions. So first symbol is dot symbol. Now I am going to represent here. We can also call these special symbols as meta characters also. Special symbols are and meta characters. So the first symbol is going to represent here symbol dot. Okay, dot means full stop. Okay, the dot symbol meaning is matching any character except new line. It will matches any character except new line. Any character except new line. So if you are representing any something else in here in the second line, then it won't match it. Okay. But in the first of starting that in the same line, it will match any character. Okay. Any character means any string or text. Okay. Give me a second. Examples for these meta characters or symbols are the first symbol is I will mention here example. Wait, otherwise. Examples. Okay. If the video is something slow, then you can watch this video by putting the speed video speed as 1.25 or 1.5 as your wish. Or if it is very fast, then you can uh, reduce the speed also. Okay. So example for this one is A dot B matches ACB, comma A9B, A10B or A3B, like that. So it will match anything. Okay, but in the same line only, but not in another line. Okay. In practical sessions, you are going to learn this in a very easy way. You can understand with real-time examples. Okay. In practical, we are going to do uh, everything in a practical way in our upcoming sessions. Okay. Next, caret symbol. Symbol name is caret. So these character strings will match the string from start of the string. Okay, start of the string. So the example of this is this one. Hi. So if you want to match these high, then we used to you give the caret symbol in the beginning of that string. Okay. The next thing is dollar. Okay. So dollar symbol is used for end of the string. End of string. So end of string means I first I said hi, right? So next how are you, right? So for how are you, I am going to write like how are you. But the last string is with a dollar. Okay. Then it will match the end of the string. Okay. String means text or character. Okay. Next, asterisk symbol. We used to call normally as a star, but technically it will be asterisk. So asterisk symbol is used for to match zero or more repetitions. Zero or more repetitions. So the example for this asterisk symbol is AB matches AB star or AB asterisk. AB matches comma AB comma ABB. It will match whether it is having a no element, so it shows none, and also it will give the if it is having more number of characters or strings, then it will also match like AB or ABB. And the next symbol is plus sign. So this plus sign is used for to match one or more repetitions. Or more repetitions. So one or more repetitions means it will match if you give like AB plus AB plus matches AB comma ABB. So AB. So AB matches it is having only one element. So it is one. And more means it is having more than one. So it is also matches like this. Okay. So in the above, AB star means if it is having one element means it is having A, so it will match. And second thing, it is also AB also having AB, so that's why it is going. And it is having more, it also it will match. Okay, like that we need to understand. If you don't understand, please put a comment section. If you have any doubts regarding this, just please comment below. Then I will try to sort it out from the next session.
Next question mark. Yes, we can part if you put here. Sorry. So question mark will matches 0 or at least 0 or 1 repetition. So if it is doesn't match also, it will show, and it is having one match also, it will show. Like here, I will show the example. AB question mark. Okay, AB question mark matches A comma AB. Okay, AB question mark matches A comma AB. It will match a single 0 also. Otherwise, it is having more also. I mean, more means one only. If it is having more, it won't match. Okay, but if it is consist of at least one, then it will match. Next symbol, uh, curly braces. In general terms, we used to call those as flower braces, but in technical terms, we used to call those as curly braces. So curly braces, uh, and also here we need to mention the number of repetitions. Here n means number of repetitions. Okay, curly braces, exactly n repetitions. I will tell you the example for this to understand better. Exactly, exact n repetitions. Exact n repetitions. Right. So here, what it will going to tell is we need to give the certain number in order to search the element whether it is having two times or three times. If you give two or three or something any number, then it will show the result accordingly. So if it is having at least, if you give two means it will show the result if it is having at least two times. If you give 3 means it will give the result at least if it's having 3 repetitions. Okay. For example, here I am going to give 3. So it matches triple A. Because we had given 3. If we give 4, then it matches only 4. Okay, not 3, not 2. Okay, like that. Next, in curly braces only, we need to represent n comma space. Sorry. So at least n repetitions. Is it to at least n repetitions. At Text and represent means a comma a in flower passes. We need to represent 2 comma. So it matches a comma triple a. Next, n comma m. So here did you understand this? It is having 2 means, so it is at least it is having 2 A's. That's why it is matching. Here at least it is having 3 A's, but 2 is compulsory, right? That's why it is also giving 3 A's also matches. If it is having 4 A's, that also it will give matches. But it is having only 1 A, it won't match because it has to repeat the same letter at least 2 times. That's why here we have represented 2. Okay. Next thing, n comma m. In between these numbers, okay, it will match. Between n and m repetitions. Like a of 3 comma 5. Okay, matches what it will match. At least it has to must match 3 and also 4 and also 5. Okay, so the letters must not less than 3, not more than 5. Okay, it is if it is have and it may have 3 or 4 or 5. Okay, then only it will match. Otherwise, if I put here instead of 5, if I put 7, then it will also matches if it is having 6 characters or 7 characters. Okay. So next thing, these curly braces completed. Now we are going for the square brackets. Square braces. So square braces means we can also call it as character set. These. Okay. So character set matches either digits or text. Okay. Example of these are A to Z. It may be a text or it may be numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, like that it will match. If it is having text also it will match. If it is having digits also it will match. Next parenthesis. Next parenthesis. Sorry. So these are used for grouping. Okay, grouping in the sense. Wait. So grouping in the sense, it matches the group things. Okay. Not only one or not only two. It will matches all the groups which consists of same. Okay, like A, B, C plus like that. Okay. Next one, backslash. So backslash. Escape special characters. So backslash dot matches dot. So here I had mentioned star dot reach. It also matches special characters like dot star like that. Okay. So this is about today's regular expression symbols and real-time regular expressions usages. So before concluding the session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in today's session. So first thing we are discussed is a real-world use case of regular expressions with Python. Real-world use case of uh, regular expressions in Python. So first one, it is going to use validating the mobile number and validating the mail address, extract all numbers from search. So if it is validating mobile number in the sense if whether they had given what we call wrong number or valid number, it will validate. And then extract all numbers. From a string. So if it is having the combination of both strings and numbers, then it will extract only the numbers from the string. And also next find all was starting with capitals. So it will also match the all the letters which are which are started with the capital letters and mail IDs and mail IDs example I had shown here. Oh, it will only matches the mail IDs and check if a string starts with the specific words like how we had mentioned. So if the sentence contains how, then it will match. Otherwise, it won't. Okay. And next, replacing the all numbers. Okay. Replacing the all numbers in the sense, if you want to mask the numbers and don't, if you want to hide the numbers, then we can go for these replace numbers. Okay, next split. Splitting means putting comma or full stop like that. We used to we used to use. and then removing extra spaces. If you want to remove extra spaces, then we can also use in that kind of scenarios also. And next thing is validating the password, whether they had given valid password or wrong credentials. Then if you want to validate this also, it will allow, it may help. Okay, just give me a second. So wait, give me a second. Yeah, next is special symbols and meta characters. So the special symbols are used for uh, different kinds of purposes. The purposes also I had mentioned here. So first thing is dot. Dot means it will match only any character except new line. Okay, next one, a caret, start of the string here, a dollar, end of the string, and asterisk, zero or more repetitions. If it is having zero or if it is having more number of same characters, then also it will match. And plus in it will only match at least one, and if it is having more repetitions of characters. Okay, and then question mark, zero or one repetition. So if it's having no match, and also if it's having only one match also, it will sort it out. And then curly braces, starting the n repetitions. Okay, mm, a of 3 comma, so it will match triple having only the word is having only specific words, specific as a specific number of parts. Okay, it may be a 3 4 5 like that. Okay, and then n, at least n repetitions, at least having at least n number of repetitions. It may be a 2 3 4 5 like that. So but must and should repeat if it the must and should it matches the numbers whatever we specify or whatever we give in the these curly braces, or sometimes it may be 2 or it may be 3 like that. Okay, and n number n comma m, between those numbers only it will match. And character set, it will match either a text or either it is also from digits. And next, parenthesis is used for, wait for a second. So parenthesis is used for grouping, and backslash is used for escaping special characters like star, dot, question mark. These are called as an special characters, right? So for those purpose also, these regular expressions will help. Okay, I hope this class is very helpful for you. If you like our classes, then smash that like button. Want to stay updated with our latest content, hit subscribe. Got any questions or doubts, or drop them in the comments. We are here to help. And know someone who is struggling to kickstart their IT career, share this video and make a difference. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. See you in the next one.